Hello everyone and welcome back again. In the previous lecture, after we installed the Dialux Evo software, now in this lecture we will start to use this software. Firstly, we have to check up our setting from file. I'm going to setting. After that here, general setting. Now as you see here, we have here general for the save our project. Remind you every 25 minutes we can make it, for example, 30 minutes. And also here for undo, we can use undo for 50 changes. And so here also the language and the CAD project preference and more location, calculation settings and connection. And also if we want to check the standard, because you know that in the lighting we have European standards and United States standards and so on. Here we want to work in European standards, and that means that the software will calculate depend on all the European parameters. Also here we have a United States of America standards, and also we have a Japan standard. Okay. Now for me, I will start a new project. Okay. Now the first things that we have to import our DWG or AutoCAD file to build up our module, and after that, after I'm build up my module, I will arrange my lighting fixtures. Okay, now to import my AutoCAD file, I have to, from construction here, I have to select the plan, the first tab here, construction, and after that load plan, and then I will go ground floor architect DWG file. Okay, will take some seconds, and then the first thing I have to set my axis. As you see here, I will click and go, but in 180 degree, not like this in angle, in straight line, and click. And after that I will just to set up the axis X and Y. After that I will select the unit by millimeters. Okay, and if I wanted to check the length, because I remove all, but I remember that the store is around 1 meter or 80 centimeters. Yes, is okay. Measure length and check to. Okay, I will not change anything. Finish. Now I'm finishing or importing my DWG file. Okay. Now what the next step? The next step is to start build up my module. Now as you see here on the plans, it will appear here ground floor architect or the file which I am porting to my Dialux Evo software. Then I have here the scale in millimeters. Okay, and also for the layer here to control or to make this DWG block in one color. Why I have to do this? Because you have to build up my module on it. It is preferred to make it as one color. Okay, how I can do this? As you see here, uh, it is consist of many colors, and we on the previous lectures that we on AutoCAD we make it in one color gray. Why? Because we have to mention clearly my electrical drawing. Okay. Now on the ground floor I will make it in green color. How I can make it? Click on any color of this list and press here red. Okay. Control A. Red. Now, as you see here, all the drawing convert to the red color, and also as you see here I have site 1, and if I press this display plan, okay, here I can turn on or turn off my DWG block by clicking on this tick. Okay. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next lecture.